مسكين من متى يسوق؟ من روسيا.
هذا جاي من روسيا بالدراجة.
You came from all the way from Russia to here by bicycle.
Wow.
How long that takes
How long
you?
that?
3 months?
3 months.
Wow.
عبد السلام.
But you came all the way from Russia to here by bicycle, right?
In Jordan, they didn't give me permission to come.
And Jordan, they didn't give you permission.
Uh-huh. So you take time from the Jordan border.
From Jordan to Medina, I came by taxi.
From Jordan to Medina. But it takes 3 months from Russia to here.
Which country from Russia?
Russia, Azerbaijan, Georgia, Turkey, Cyprus,
Again. Russia,
Azerbaijan,
Azerbaijan, Turkey,
Georgia.
Cyprus, Georgia, Turkey, Cyprus,
Cyprus, Masr,
Masr.
Georgia,
What's your name, sir?
Bulat.
Huh?
Bulat.
Bulat.
Bulat.